This little sensor costs about $70. It doesn't look like much, but it's surprisingly powerful. Sensors like this can measure critical elements like soil humidity and temperature, air quality, even livestock health. It transmits the data in real time from miles away, helping farmers make their work more efficient. I'm Dr. Ciprian Popoviciu, an associate professor in the College of Engineering and Technology, and I'm focused on building the next generation of cyber infrastructure to improve Eastern North Carolina. These sensors are the things in the technological revolution called the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things helps researchers, farmers, and communities save time and crops before problems even start. But all this only works if there is infrastructure behind it. That's why I started the Center for IoT Engineering and Innovation at ECU. My team and I created and manage the platform for IoT open networks. It makes managing sensors easy and turns live data into insights. Our open network now covers over 2,000 square miles. It also gives our students hands-on experience in tackling real-world challenges. One farmer summed it up best. I hope this technology doesn't just solve our problems, but makes farming exciting enough that our kids come back to help us. And that's what I do at ECU.